Hey, it's Will, and just wanted to do a quick review of this little ice maker that we got about 4 months ago. It's a great little unit that we got off Amazon. It was the cheapest one we could find. There were a couple others at the same price point, but what really set this one apart was the fact that it's got this little rear window back here, so you can actually see what's going on as the ice is being made. It's a little hypnotic, you get kind of addicted to watching the water flowing and the ice forming. It's very compact size. It's about the size of a case of Coke. It's great. It makes supposedly 26 pounds of ice per day. So that works out to about a pound an hour. So just think about your 8-pound bag of ice, which is the standard one you're going to get at the grocery store. So that's going to take you 8 hours to make, roughly 8-9 hours. So just keep that in the back of your head if you're looking for something large capacity. These units like this, all of them are probably not what you're looking for. You need a big boy unit. But for a countertop unit, this one's great. Really enjoying it. I hooked it up to a meter just to see how much power it's using. It's always right around the 175. Once in a while hits 180 watts. So, not a killer on the electric, but it is something to keep in the back of your mind, especially if you're using this off-grid or something like that. So the way these work is that it makes the ice in the rear, scoops it, and as you saw, dumps it down to this basket. It's got a sensor, so it knows when the basket's full. It also knows when you need to add water and everything, so you really can leave these pretty much by themselves. The water goes down there, there's a full mark, and the ice goes into the basket. It's not a huge basket, so you do need to empty it quite often. Probably holds a little less than a pound of ice, so about once an hour you're going to need to empty that thing. It's not very loud at all. It makes a tiny bit of noise. It's basically a computer fan on the side. So if you can think of an old desktop, that little bit of a fan noise is what it's making. It does have a clean feature. Those lights are not blinking, by the way. It's just the way that my camera's picking it up. We like to run it on small because it makes the cubes the fastest. So when it dumps down, keep in mind that this is just a cooler box. They are actively melting. The ice melts down, goes back into the water reserve, and the cycle of life begins, makes more ice, much like what a restaurant does. So it makes that softer ice like you get at a restaurant, not the hard stuff out of your freezer. So it's cold, but not, oh my goodness, rock solid. Great little unit. Check out in the description. Got a link down there. Go ahead and check that out. It does come with this ice scoop, by the way. We like to use the little tongs. They're like 6.5 tongs. We got them at Dollar Tree. They're also available on Amazon. I'll look and throw a link there for you. We like it because it kind of also limits people's ice grabbing. The scoop's so big, you end up taking out the entire container and filling your glass right to the rim with ice. So, just something to keep in mind. Remove the plug, have it off the side of the table. It's going to drain all the water out. Special about this one, you can actually see what's going on in the back, which is kind of cool. It's also cool for cleaning purposes. If you want to get there and wipe, you can just unhook these two spots and get in there. You do want to keep this thing clean since it is, going into your drinks.